Hello KG students, how are you all? I hope all are fine. Yes. So children, today we will be doing in maths what comes between. In first term we have learned what comes after. After माने बाद में. So in now we will start with what comes between. Between माने बीच में मतलब two numbers के बीच में कौन सा number आएगा. Understood? Between numbers are the one that come in the middle of two numbers. Between numbers क्या होते हैं? Between are the one that come in the middle of two numbers. जो दो numbers के बीच में आता है. That is what comes between. Understood? Look here. There is 4 and 6. In 4 and 6, which number will come in the between? Yes, 5. 5 number is between. 5 number is between. 4 और 6 के बीच में कौन सा number आता है? 5. So that the 5 number is between. Understood? Look here. The number 3 and number 5. Okay. So number 3 or 5 in between, which number will come? Yes, 4. So number 4 is between. The number 4 is between. Understood children? दो numbers के बीच में कौन सा number आता है उसे हम बोलते हैं between. Understood? Now look here. There is number 3 and number 5. So in between which number will come? 3 और 5 के बीच में कौन सा number आएगा in between? Yes, 4. 3, 4, 5. And yes, children, you have already know the counting from 1 to 100. Yes, आपको counting भी आता है. So you have to count कि 3 के बाद which number will come and before 5 which number will come. Then you will get the answer. Understood? The next number, see, number 1 and number 3. So which number will come in between? Yes, number 2. 1, 2, 3. Yes. Now we will see the two-digit number. Number 27 and 29. So 27 and 29, which number will come in between? इन दोनों के number के बीच में कौन सा number आएगा? 27 and 29. Yes, 28. 28. So 27, 28 and 29. Understood children? Yes. Now look at this next. 37 and 39. 37 and 39. So in between which number will come? 37 and 39. Yes, 38. 37, 38, 39. Understood children? I hope now you got the concept of what comes between. Yes, what comes after क्या होता है? कोई भी एक नंबर के बाद में. After माने बाद. Next number, like after 1 which number will come? Next number क्या है? 2. Like this. That is what comes after. Between माने one that comes in the middle of two numbers. दो numbers के बीच में जो आना है उसे कहते हैं हम what comes between. Understood? So children, today's homework. What is your homework today? In your English book, book में है जो किताब है English book, in the maths book, in your maths book, page number 29. In your maths book, page number 29, you have to do write the numbers that comes after. Which number comes after? इसमें नंबर दे रखा है आपको what comes after, मतलब इसके बाद कौन सा नंबर आता है. Like the first number is 33. After 33 which number will come? 34. Like that you have to do this in your maths book. ये आपको maths book में ही करना है. Understood? And next page is page number 30 in your maths book. Page number 30. You have to do which number comes in between. इन दो numbers के बीच में middle में कौन सा number आएगा. Look at the first one, 5 and 7. So in between which number will come? 5 और 7 के बीच में कौन सा number आएगा? Yes, 6. 5, 6, 7. Understood? So आपको page number 29 and page number 30 you have to do it in max book. आपको max book में करना है. After doing this, in your copy, max copy, किस में? Max copy में you have to write this. What comes between, write the heading, write the date and do this. and between numbers में boxes बनाओगे. जहाँ जहाँ मैम ने box बनाया है आपको भी वो boxes बनाने. Understood? Did you got it? So today you have the homework in max book and max copy. Both the homeworks you have to do. Understood? Write today's date and write the heading in max copy and do the homework.